How can I learn English without a partner? Learning English is an exciting journey. Many people think they need a partner to practice with, but that's not true. You can learn English effectively on your own. In this video, we will discuss simple and easy ways to improve your English without needing a partner. Build a daily routine. Make English a part of your daily life. To learn English well, you need to practice it every day. Here's how. Set a schedule. Decide a fixed time every day to study English. For example, you can study for 30 minutes in the morning and 30 minutes in the evening. Start small. Begin with 10-20 minutes if you are a beginner. Slowly increase the time as you get comfortable. Use simple tools. A notebook, a pencil, and a good English app are all you need. 2. Use English apps and websites. Technology is your best friend when you don't have a partner. Here are some ways to use it. Language apps. Apps like Duolingo, HelloTalk, and Memrise are great for beginners. They teach vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation. English videos. Watch short videos on YouTube. Channels like English with Altaf are perfect for learning new words and sentences. Interactive websites. Websites like BBC Learning English and ESL Fast have many exercises for beginners. 3. Practice speaking alone. Speaking English every day is important, even if you don't have a partner. Here's how you can practice speaking alone. Talk to yourself. Describe your day in English. For example, say, "I am brushing my teeth now," or "I will eat lunch at 2 p.m. Repeat after videos. Watch videos with subtitles. Pause and repeat what the speaker says. This helps improve pronunciation. Record your voice. Use your phone to record yourself speaking English. Then listen to it and check for mistakes. 4. Improve your listening skills. Listening is a big part of learning English. If you listen carefully, you will understand how words are pronounced and used. Try these tips. Listen to podcasts. There are many English podcasts for beginners. For example, The English We Speak is short and easy to understand. Watch movies and shows. Start with kids' cartoons or simple shows. Use subtitles in your language first, then switch to English subtitles. Focus on everyday conversations. Listen to how people greet each other or ask for help in English. These are useful phrases you can learn. 5. Learn vocabulary every day. To speak and understand English, you need to know many words. Here are some ways to learn vocabulary. Word of the day. Learn one new word daily and use it in a sentence. Flashcards. Write words on small cards. On one side, write the English word, and on the other side, write its meaning in your language. Label things around you. Write the English names of items like chair, door, or table, and stick them on those items. 6. Read simple English books. Reading helps you learn new words and understand grammar. Start with easy books like children's books. These books have simple sentences and pictures to help you understand. Short stories. Read short and fun stories online or in books. English newspapers. Look for children's or beginner-friendly news articles. 7. Write in English daily. Writing helps you remember words and grammar. You don't need to write long essays. Start small. Write a diary. Every night write 2 to 5 sentences about your day. For example, today was sunny. I went to the market. Practice sentences. Pick a new word and write 3 sentences using it. Use online tools. Apps like Grammarly can correct your sentences and teach you better ways to write. 8. Learn grammar basics. Grammar is important to form correct sentences. Focus on these basics first. Simple tenses. Learn present, simple, past simple, and future simple. For example, present, I eat apples. Past, I ate apples. Future, I will eat apples. Common pronouns. Learn words like I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Simple questions. Learn to ask basic questions like, what is your name? Or how are you? 9. Watch and repeat. Daily conversations. Daily conversations teach practical English. Here's how to learn them. Role play alone. Pretend you are in a shop. Say, how much is this? Or, can I buy this? Practice greetings. Learn to say, hello, how are you? And, goodbye, see you later. Learn polite phrases. Use phrases like thank you, please, and excuse me often. 10. Stay motivated. Learning English takes time, so stay positive and motivated. Here are some tips. Celebrate small wins. If you learn 5 new words, celebrate by treating yourself. Set goals. Write down what you want to achieve. For example, I want to learn 50 words in 1 month. Remind yourself. Think about why you want to learn English. It could be for a better job, travel, or making new friends. 11. Join online communities. Even if you don't have a partner, you can connect with others online. Facebook groups. Join groups for English learners. Language forums. Websites like Reddit or Quora have spaces for English practice. Online classes. Enroll in free or paid English classes where teachers and students interact. 12. Use songs and music. Music is a fun way to learn English. Listen to English songs. Start with slow songs so you can understand the words. Sing along, read the lyrics, and sing along to improve your pronunciation. Learn phrases from songs. Many songs have useful phrases like I miss you or I love you. 13. Stay consistent. Consistency is the key to learning English. Follow these tips. Practice daily. Even 15 minutes a day is better than nothing. Review. Often. Go back to what you learned before to make sure you remember it. Keep trying. If something feels hard, don't give up. Take a break and try again. 14. Test yourself. Test your English skills regularly to see your progress. Online quizzes. Take grammar and vocabulary tests. Self-assessment. Write down how much you've learned every week. Record progress. Compare your speaking and writing from 1 month ago to now. 15. Be patient with yourself. Remember, learning English is a step-by-step process. Don't expect to be perfect in one day. It's okay to make mistakes. Every mistake helps you learn. Final words. You don't need a partner to learn English. By using apps, practicing alone, listening to English, and staying consistent, you can improve your skills every day. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be able to speak, read, write, and understand English with confidence. Good luck on your English learning journey.